Good morning, BROCHIKAS. Today we are dyeing our hair. So first, of course, I need to bleach my hair. So we're doing a similar color. I still want purple hair, but this time I'm gonna bleach my roots so that it can come out brighter, because I was thinking to myself, semi-permanent color does not stick well to virgin hair. It sticks to bleached hair because bleached hair is porous and it can get all up inside there, and it just works better. So that is why, like, the bottom of my hair is like a really cute color. It's like a burgundy, right? And the top of my hair literally is just brown. So whenever I have my hair in a ponytail or in a bun, it literally just looks like I have brown hair, and it's pissing me off because I want purple hair. Also, last time this came out more burgundy and I want it to be purple. So I did get different semi-permanent hair color. So these are the colors we are going to be using in today's video. I have not tried Arctic Fox in like over a decade, if they're even that old, because I feel like I tried them when I was in beauty school. I think, but don't quote me. So anyways, I'm just gonna go with, I haven't tried these because it's been a long time. And I just wanted to give it a go because everybody says how great they are and I've never tried them. So I'm gonna use Purple Rain. I got a big bottle, and I'm also gonna use Violet Dream. They only had a small bottle at Sally's. I would've got the big bottle, but they didn't have it. This was $16.99, a little pricey. This was $10.99. But yeah, I'm really excited. I looked up the pictures for these colors and I really like the purple that comes out. I'm gonna mix a tiny bit of this in the Purple Rain, but I really do like the way the Purple Rain comes out by itself from what I've seen on Google and on YouTube. But yes, I'm really excited, you guys. So of course we need to bleach our hair. And I just have the L'Oreal Quick Blue powdered bleach, and I got mine from Amazon just because I had some money in my Amazon account. Oh, I got two packs. Oh my gosh. So I got 2 of these thinking it was 1 pack and 1 pack, but I have 4 packets of bleach. Okay, well that's good. So yeah, this is the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength bleach, and we are gonna use the Salon Care from Sally's 30 Volume Developer. I have a little tiny teensy tint bowl here, and I have this little Redken like mixer. I love using this to mix up my colors, and got a couple of tint brushes here. So I'm not gonna show the entire process because I feel like it's really boring. A lot of people just come to my hair dye videos just to see the results and to see which products I'm using. So I'll probably do a time lapse on certain portions of the process. BROCHIKAS, this is what we're looking like. I look like sherbet. It's crazy. It's definitely a very crappy bleach job, so please do not watch this video and think that I'm gonna teach you something, because it's not going to happen. Brad Mondo, if you see this, I'm sorry. I hope I don't upset you. The only reason it looks so bad is because I'm lazy and I just wanted it bleached so that the purple could stick to it. If I was going to like a blonde, this would not be acceptable. This would be like, eek, like, oh my God, no. If I was going to like a lighter brown even, this would be like, no. But the fact that I'm putting a dark purple on it, I'm really not worried about the quality of my bleach dye. I tried to get like, you know, everything on my scalp and split it apart and make sure I got everything. And there's one spot here that I missed right there. But like, I really don't even care, you guys, because I'm just gonna put purple on it. And the thing with bright yet dark semi-permanent colors is like, you can barely notice the imperfections. I am not worried about how it looks right now because I know it's gonna look fine with dark purple on it. If you were doing like a lavender, this would not work. If you were doing a pink, this would not work. See, I have like dark striping right here. It's just crazy. But I honestly don't care. If you think I'm dumb, it's totally fine. I don't care. It's my hair, you know? Also, this is where I put my disclaimer, you guys. Please do not take this as an instructional video. It is not an instructional video. It is simply me showing you how I went from one color to the next color and what products I used. If you choose to copy me, which I don't think you should, know that you're doing it at your own risk. That is your own choice. Be an adult, okay? If you are not an adult, please don't do this without your parents' permission. If you are not comfortable with making mistakes on your hair, don't do it to yourself. Go to a salon. I personally don't like spending my money at salons. It's no offense to them. They do a great job. It just costs too much money for how often I like to change my hair. It would just cost me way too much money. So that's why I do it this way, and I deal with the fact that it's not gonna be immaculate, okay? Okay, so now that we have all that out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and put the purple in. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells like berry cough syrup, actually. But that's the Violet Dream color. And this is the Purple Rain color. Okay, BROCHIKAS, we are almost there. I think I have another like 25 minutes to let this sit in my hair. I've spent like 15 minutes cleaning up my bathroom, so I didn't take this off my scalp. It's already too late anyways. It's already stained if it's stained, so whatever. I'll just deal with it like I always do. It doesn't last forever. But yes, I believe I was very, very thorough. I had to make an extra batch, and I just wanted to make sure everything was like super saturated and that I didn't miss any spots. I have really high hopes this time. It looks way different than it did the first time I did it. This color I'm loving. I think I'm really gonna love this product. I'm so excited to see what it looks like when it's dry. But it smells so good and feels really moisturizing. Of course, I did add a lot of conditioner because I didn't want it to come out too dark, because the problem the first time was even at the bottom, it was still too dark. You couldn't even tell that my hair was purple, and that's why I kind of diluted it with conditioner, because I want to make sure that even if I'm like inside, you can see, oh, her hair is purple, because why the heck else did I spend all this time doing my hair if you can't even tell that my hair is purple inside? So yeah, I will just be back with you guys once my hair is all dried and styled and I have like a little bit of makeup on, and I will let you know what I think, but this looks very promising. I'm very excited. Hey BROCHIKAS, so here is the finished product of my hair. We're on the go. We're like running errands and we're about to go get some dinner, so that's why I'm in the car right now. But you can see in the natural lighting, it's like perfect right here because there's kind of some shade and it's really sunny. So I feel like when it's too sunny, I can't even film and then I get washed out. But this is what the color turned out to be. It's definitely beautiful. Like, it's definitely a beautiful color, and I have a lot of pros to this Arctic Fox hair dye. I really like it because number one, the smell is good. Number two, my hair doesn't feel as damaged as it felt right after the bleach. Number three, when I was washing out my hair, like washing the color out, obviously I don't use shampoo or conditioner for the first 2 days after I dye my hair, whether it's semi-permanent or permanent, just because it takes about 72 hours for your hair cuticle to close. So if you want your color to last, don't wash, shampoo or whatever your hair for the first 2 days after dyeing. And so I was just rinsing it out, and I thought that my hands were gonna get completely dyed purple because I didn't wear gloves or anything, and they didn't. My hands look pretty good. I don't have purple all over them like I did the last time, and this like didn't take forever to get the color out. Like, it didn't bleed everywhere, and I'm like, oh my goodness, like I'm not used to wearing a semi-permanent hair color that doesn't bleed everywhere and stain everything. So it didn't even really stain my face that much. It didn't even like stain my ears. I like wiped it off. It didn't stain the back of my neck. I was like, whoa, what is going on here? This is awesome. Like, I think this might be my new favorite brands. I just love the fact that it didn't stain my hands and it just came out so easily, ran to like clear water so easily. So I really like that aspect of it. And so basically what happened was I still had the red on the bottom. You guys saw that it was like blonde up here and red down here, and I always go in and color my roots first when I'm doing the semi-permanent color. I always start in the front and then go all the way back, only because it's just the easiest for me to do and like keep track of like what I've colored and what I haven't. So I'll gather everything up into a clip right here, and then I'll just add it and add it. So as you can see, it's pretty like red burgundy on the rest of the hair. Up here it kind of looks violet-y, and then over here it's like a blue purple. It's very confusing. I'll put a few other clips overlapping on this as well, so you could see what it looks like in the sunny sun with me like shaking it around so you can see the back and everything like that. But I kind of like it. It kind of looks like that e-girl trend, but like really reversed, because it's like a lighter red vibrant color back here, and then like this dark vibrant purple right in the frame of my face. So I'm kind of feeling it. Like, I think it looks really, really cute. Also, I'm gonna place a picture of my Bitmoji right here for you, because my Bitmoji on Snapchat, like, that's literally what this hair looks like. And I didn't even mean to do that, but I'm kind of living for it. So I literally match my Bitmoji's hair like exactly. So I really like it. I really, really like it. Of course, I thought I was gonna get fully purple hair, and once again I failed. I guess I just suck at doing hair now. I guess I just am always gonna fail now. But it's totally cool, because what I love about semi-permanent hair dye is like, I just love like vibrant colors. I don't even care if it's perfect. Like, perfection is overrated. I don't care if it's like a little bit splotchy and whatever. If it's like a certain color on the root and a certain color on the rest, I really don't care. We have a purple to red ombre, and I think it's fire. I still think it's cute. It's actually pretty original. I don't know anybody who's done a purple to red emoji. Girl, what am I talking about? I need some coffee. I've never seen anybody have a purple to bright red ombre before, so I feel pretty original and cute, and I'm loving it. So, wasn't what I expected. Still living for it, still enjoying my life, and I would definitely use Arctic Fox again. This is not even sponsored. They don't even know who I am. I just really wanted to try their product, and I really, really like it. So I feel like next time I want to get like a blue, because I'm thinking maybe if I get the same purple that I got, the Purple Rain, and if I get like Poseidon, which is their bright royal blue, if I put the Purple Rain on top like I have right now, because I love this color right here, and then if I put Poseidon down here, because I have the red mixed with blue makes a purple. So I don't know, it's like so much fun to play around with colors. But either way, I love it. It looks gorgeous. I'm really glad that I bleached my hair regardless, because the color just looks way more vibrant. Like, you can just really see, even in the shade, you can see that my hair is a bright color, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I love it. I think it's really cute. And yeah, just don't take any of my advice, you guys, because apparently I don't know how to get the color that I was trying to get. So that's I am not a teacher, okay? I'm not a professional. So anywho's, I hope that you enjoyed this video regardless of my fails. And I hope to see you next time. So stay tuned to my channel. Make sure that you're subscribed. Give this a thumbs up, because it helps me out a lot. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.